How to get paid from the Poshmark, that is a payment platform. How you can simply get your payment received in your account step by step in this video. Step 1 is how do I receive my money on Poshmark. This is how you can do it. Step 1 is simply make a sale. When someone purchases your item, Poshmark notifies you. Poshmark immediately emails you with prepaid shipping label. Package your item and ship it within 5 days until using the label. Step 2 is wait for delivery and buyer acceptance. Once the buyer receives the item, they have 3 days to inspect it. If the buyer accepts the item or does not respond within 3 days, the sale is automatically marked as completed. Your funds are released. Once the order is marked as complete, your earnings will be released to your Poshmark balance. You can view your balance by tapping your account and then My Balance section from there. Step 4 is withdraw your money. You have two main ways to get your money from Poshmark. Option 1 is direct deposit to your bank account, that is recommended to you as well. Go to My Balance, Redeemable, and then click on Redeem Funds, select direct deposit. Enter your bank account information only needs to be done once, that will save for later. Then funds usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. The last option is request a check. In the redeem fund section, choose request a check. Poshmark will mail you a check to your registered address. So this is how you can do it.